to Cattington.
Hello there. So today we've got an update on the layout, we've got a big thank you, and also we've got some little tidy people. See you in a minute.
See you in a bit. Hi, now I just want to give a big thank you for our last video we made of our yearly one of what we've done in the year. We've got over 13,000 people. Can I just say a big thank you for everyone who watched our video and for all the extra subscribers we've had as well.
So I reckon we've had 150 new subscribers within the last 2 weeks.
Thank you very much.
Which is
thank
amazing.
you.
So yeah, thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you very much. It's well appreciated.
And I hope you're continuing to enjoy the videos that we do from here on in.
Yeah, from now on. So yeah, I won't be able to do much at the moment because I've had an operation on my hands with carpal tunnel, so that was last Friday on the 28th, so I'll be out of action for a while. So,
but that's not going to stop us.
Not going to stop us.
Let me show you what's next.
Yes. See you in a bit.
Right, hello everyone. So last week we had the full tour, which was lovely to see, but I just brought you down to this area, which is just behind Cattington town, near the station, and it's our double line that goes beyond. I just want to kind of point out this little building here. So it's a cardboard building. Debbie painted it so it looks a little bit kind of less like cardboard, which is really sweet. It is completely like in the wrong place because it's like the sidings, like dumping ground of wheels and stuff. In fact, I forgot I had so many wheels. But it's got a bit of history to it. The reason why it's here is because I had problems with the wiring on the track. This one here, across these points, and if I show you, this is weighing down, let's put that somewhere safe, a bit of wire. Now, the joint just there, just there, failed for some reason. There's a fish plate there. It's not insulating. We've tried soldering it a few times and we could just never get the power to control straight over. I've got no idea what's going on with that. So we gave up and we put a piece of wire in. So it's soldered one side, goes over, soldered the other side, and we just needed some way to hide it. So the first thing was to weigh it down, stop it catching, and then just put a hook over it. Simple. So that's why it's there. And I forgot all about that because it's like 8 months ago, more, I don't know. One day it may change, don't know. Right, the next thing I want to show you is the area of track I spoke about last time, which is the bit that I'm really not happy with, so I've started to play with some ideas. So I used to have another siding coming off here, which was always kind of powered, regardless of the point, and it had to be because of the nature of it, without additional wiring. So I've taken that away, and I've just left one shunt down here, got 9F hiding in the shed. Quite frankly, the 9F's longer than the shed, but never mind. That might change. But it's helped clear up this area a little bit, and that meant I've been able to put another point in further around. So I've got a shunt this way, and I can now put a shunt there, which goes around the corner, which I'm not sure about. Maybe I'll straighten it out and just forget about the corner bit. But quite frankly, I'm out of straights as well, so I need to get some more straights in, and then I can like finish off these little bits that are just not quite perfect yet. Okay, so that's actually worth trying. So I've taken the corner out, so it's just a little straight shunt. I've got less track, but I think it looks better because of it. It doesn't foul up the outside line, it should be okay. But it still gives me a little bit of an opportunity to store my wagons. In fact, can have a little platform there as well. The platform maybe can serve both, don't know. It's something anyway. It's I'll know more when I start using it, and if I don't use it, then I know it's no good. And that's the way to find out. Right, thank you all. Right, as you can see, we've got lots and lots of little peoples. So I managed to get these off eBay. Goes in 2 packs. So that's a lot from the first pack, and I think they were £4. Then the bottom set is about £4 and a couple of pound postage. Really great bargain. You're not going to get that any better price for the quality, and these are really nicely done. So hopefully you'll see them around the railway pretty soon once we get them glued in somewhere. I also managed to pick up some extra fence, but not just one or two, but I managed to get a whole pack. And it's like, it's already brown, it's brown plastic. Can't tell in that light, but we could paint it a bit more, make it a bit more kind of weathered, but it will do. So expect to see more fencing going around the railway as well.